a WPC89 MPU and somebody was trying to fix the direct switches on, and it came to me pretty hacked up. I have it repaired now, so let's test all of column 1. And all of row 1. And we'll check the direct switches. And I can escape out of here now. So this MPU is working properly now. And that test report is because I have my test rig connected to the MPU. It had some alkaline corrosion, so I had to replace, I think, a total of 12 10K resistors. Always replace J210 and the input filter capacitor there, I think it's C31. And had to clean up the traces at U15, U20, and U19. And I took the headers off of J212 and J205 to make sure there's no corrosion under there. Installed NVRAM, and I'm testing it in my whitewater. Looks like it's good to go. Thanks for sending it in.